Now that the Android app is available in the Play Store, we want to show you a really easy way to take all of your settings and programs and transfer them from your existing iOS device onto the Android app. The way we're going to do that is using our backup and restore features that are available in both versions of the app. So first off, let me show you the iPhone. Here I've got the app installed, I've connected to my master, and I have lots of programs and configuration settings that I've already worked on and have ready to go. So what I need to do here is I actually need to back these up to the NightOwl servers. First thing I need to do in order to do that, though, is I need to connect, instead of connecting to my master, I actually need to be connected to the internet. So I'm going to go in to my settings here on my phone, and I'm going to connect to my internet. And now within the app, from the home screen, I'm going to select the settings option. From here I'm going to go to Systems, and I'm going to select my master, and I'm going to use the option that says Backup Programs. This is going to reach out over the internet to the servers, take all of my programs and settings from this device, and as you can see, says successfully backed those up. Alright, now I'm going to go over here to my Android device. I've installed the Android app directly from the App Store, from the Play Store, but I haven't done anything else with it yet. So the first thing I need to do is actually connect to my master. Okay, so I'm going to connect here over Wi-Fi to my master. And now from the app, I'm going to hit the settings option here. And now I'm going to add my system. I'm going to hit the plus. And type in my system key, just as I did when I originally got my system and set it up on my iOS device. Now as you can see, it's successfully connected to my master. I've got my little green check mark there, just like I have on my iOS device. But now what I want to do is where I backed up here on my iOS, I now want to restore on my Android. So the next thing I need to do is I actually need to connect to the internet so that I can pull that backup down onto this device. So again, I'm going to go back into my Wi-Fi settings. I'm going to select the option to connect to the internet. I'm going to go back into the app, and now on the same screen I was just on, I'm going to select the dots to the right of my master name, and I'm going to select the option to restore my programs. Now it's going to go out to the NightOwl servers. It's going to see that I have a backup that I just did. It's going to tell me where the backup came from, what device, and also how many programs were included, and that's the one I'm going to pick. And now it's going to tell me that I've successfully restored my programs. So now we want to see what these programs look like here on this new device. So I'm going to go back in here to my Wi-Fi settings. I'm going to reconnect to my master. You can see here I've got my check mark saying it's successfully connected to my master. And now if I go back, you'll see I have all the programs that I originally had on my iOS device now show up on my Android.